Hey, what's up YouTube? Gaming&Garage back here with another cool video. Today we're gonna be unboxing. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see. We got the Marvel versus Capcom. And it's a book included, English only. It's obvious if you pre-ordered it. Obviously, I pre-ordered mine. Alright, let's get into it. I did buy this game a couple months ago, but I bought the digital version. But I had to get the physical too because I heard you get the comic book, so I'm like, yeah, I'm about to get this. If I can get it open. I'm glad today is Friday. I'm gonna knock out some of that Silent Hill later. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I don't know if you guys see the shorts on there, but I got a whole bunch of shorts. Check those out. Why can I not get this open? There we go. I need some keys. Dang, this is like really stuck. Oh, I can't even get it. There we go. Now we got it. Jesus Christ. I put so much stuff on here. There we go. Really? Hoping it ain't scratched up. Oh, we're good. Nice and clean. And this is the comic book. You guys can see it. Marvel vs. Capcom Fighting Collection Arcade Classics. This is a 30-page book. This is nice. You finally get something cool. Ryu, we've been allies before. Stop this madness and let's talk. The time to talk ended when the world invaded mine, Captain America. Not gonna read the whole book, just showing. Oh shit, Wolverine, my favorite. Psylocke, Mega Man. That's pretty sweet. It was worth the 50 bucks. Well, 48, because I'm a pro member, so look at that. Yeah, it's a 30-page booklet, so make sure you guys pre-order yours to get this nice, cool little book. All right. This is the game. Oops, shit. And that's all you get. What's this back here? Yep. That's it. Alright guys, this is pretty much going to be it for the unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.